Kevin Smith is working on a Jay and Silent Bob reboot. The 48-year-old filmmaker rose to prominence after the 1994 movie Clerks, and in a tweet posted, the star confirmed he'd been working on a reboot of the popular characters. He tweeted, "Spent the first day of 2019 having a Jay and Silent Bob reboot pre-production meeting at our holiday roomie office. Jay Muse took this pic of me and at Jordan Monsanto to both mark the moment and to document that we were the only dopes in Hollywood working on the holiday." Kevin first announced the project in August 2017, but it seems the film is finally set to launch its pre-production stages, which he will work on alongside Jay Muse and producer Jordan Monsanto. After making their first appearance in Clerks, Jay and Silent Bob appeared in more of Kevin's work, including Mallrats, Chasing Amy, Dogma, Jay and Silent Bob Strike Back, and 2006's Clerks 2, where they made their final appearance. We're betting you loved that video. Wasn't it great? Well, like and subscribe to get even more.